So it's January 1st, first day of 2019, and the Santa Ana wind blew in last night, a very cold Santa Ana wind, and boy did it really clear everything out so that you can see Saddleback Mountain to the right of that palm. And in between that group of trees, way off in the distance, is the Laguna Hills, and Laguna Canyon is there, Laguna Road that goes down to Laguna Beach. But that's not what I wanted to show you. Laura Eubanks is a landscape designer and installer down in San Diego. And she works with succulents. And she's very inventive and very creative. She's got lots of stuff on YouTube. She's got people maintaining a presence on Facebook as well. So I just kind of stumbled onto it and watched it. Thought my wife might be interested, so I told my wife about it. And she watched a lot of them and really got excited about it. And then I was working, not around here, over at another house, and so I was gone for all day long. So she went out to the rock place and got the rocks and loaded it, and then she got bags of these different kind of rock, the white and the kind of purple lava, and then she went and got a ton of succulents. I had this thing right here, which I bought 30 years ago, and I had it as kind of a decoration in my office. And I brought it back home, and it broke off. And so she's repurposed it as, just a little thing of interest right here. What Laura Eubanks does, and my wife has tried to copy, is go in and build the ground up and make a little curvy line of it, and then start putting succulents in and plant them very close together, and probably against what the label says. But as she points out, it doesn't seem to hurt them at all. And then what she does is, when they get too big, too rangy, she just whacks them off, sticks them back down in the ground, without waiting for them to grow roots, because she knows that they'll grow roots on their own. With just a little benign neglect, they seem to do really quite well. And so that's my wife's effort to create Laura Eubanks, with full credit to Laura Eubanks and her design for Serenity. Laura does what she calls a succulent tapestry, where she puts them together, and she just weaves them together so that it creates a very interesting tapestry. And my wife has done that, and I think done quite well. I think Laura would tell her that maybe make her ribbons of rock a little bit more distinct, but other than that, that turned out very nice. So that's Linda's effort to duplicate what Laura Eubanks does, and for a first-time effort, I think she really did a nice job.